Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox these adapter and charging cable from Shopee. So let's go guys. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. Yes guys, we have here the USB-C 20 watts power adapter from Shopee and also the USB-C charging cable. That's 1 meter. So let's open this one guys. So if you're interested, you can tap on the link in the description box and check them out. So let's open this one. As you can see, it looks really familiar guys. Yes, here. And especially okay. Ta-da! So it has this kind of manual here. So yes, you can check them out. And then here is the adapter. So it looks really familiar. And then let's also open the charging cable. And guys, if you're interested about the price, this only cost guys for only 279 pesos, or that's around $6. So yes guys, I will be using this one and I will let you know my review and my thoughts about these products. So right now guys, is I'm actually using the power adapter and also the cable, and at the moment guys, it's now at 52%, and let's just wait for a while. As you can see, the time is 5:20, so let's see if it's really a fast charging cable guys and adapter. So as you can see guys, right now in less than a minute it already adds 1% to our cell phone. All right, so guys, for only $6, or that's around 279 pesos, you can already get a very decent and also good power cable and also an adapter. So if you're interested, just tap on the link in the description box, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing, and also let me know about your thoughts about this power cable from Shopee. Okay, so once again guys, this is Josh and I will see you in our next